adding some waves. Mist with iron shape 11, which will protect the hair from heat. Curl away from the face using a 1-inch curling iron on a slight diagonal. Then clip at the base with a pin to let this set cool. Complete 3 more. Follow the same technique on the opposite side. This way, both sides will have 4 curls. Once you've done that, take out the pins and work through the set. You can use your fingers or you can use a brush for a little bit of a softer end result. I finished by using Fashion Work 12. And for a high shine finish, use Shine Flash 02. Up next, I'm going to share an easy way to create 2 low buns. Create a middle part, working from the crown down to the nape. On the right side, starting at the part, I isolated some hair around the hairline. This adds character to the look. Gather the hair and tie it into a low pony. Repeat the same thing on the left side. Section each pony into 3 smaller sections and lightly tease for fullness. Starting at the base, wrap the hair around and continue until your bun starts to form. Make sure to secure with a bobby pin. Repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Then gather the hair that was left out around the hairline and loosely wrap and secure with a pin. To complete the look, use Fashion Work 12 to secure your look. Up next, I'm going to share an easy way to create a fun top knot. Starting at the temples, gather the hair around to the crown area and use an elastic to tie and secure into a ponytail at the top of the head. Starting at the bottom of the ponytail, lightly backcomb or tease to add fullness to your ponytail. Wrap the hair starting at the base of the ponytail and continue wrapping until you create your bun. Pin into place. Use Fashion Work 12 to secure and finish your look. To complete this series, I'm going to show you an easy way to create a fun side twist. Begin by parting from the hairline to the crown. Take another part to almost about the top of the ear. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Gather both sides and click them out of the way so you can begin to work on your twist. Now, starting on the right side, start to twist the hair in a backward motion. This is where you can have some fun with your look. You can choose to twist the hair tight or a little looser. After you've done that, make sure to secure your twist with a bobby pin. Now unclip the hair from the back and let the hair fall over your twist. Repeat the same thing on the opposite side. And there you have it. 4 easy ways to style your hair for when you're on the go.